I have been seeing a lot of these breaks on YouTube lately, and I've been wanting to check this out ever since they came out. It's the Topps Chrome. I don't know what they call this exactly. It's Topps Chrome anyways, and you get 14 packs of Topps Chrome. You get this 10 pack of the rookie cards, and then a relic. And it's $35, which I think that's cheaper than buying 14, because I think they're about $3 a pack. So that's like $42 in packs. I just wanted to give you guys an update too on my upcoming group break. I have only managed to sell one team on eBay. It's still listed on eBay, and I think today's the last day, so it ends tonight. I think 7:30 or 8:30 Mountain Time, but just go over it again real quick for you guys if you guys are interested. I think I'm going to try lowering the prices on some of the teams on eBay, see if that helps any. I'm hoping to sell a few more teams at least. 49ers $3, Bears $4, Bengals $3, Bills $3, Broncos $4, Browns $4, Buccaneers $7, Cardinals $3, Chargers $4, Chiefs $3, Colts $5, Cowboys $5. I went ahead and took the Dolphins. Eagles $3, Falcons $3, Giants $4, Jaguars $4, Jets $2, Lions $3, Packers $5, Panthers $5, Patriots $6, Raiders $5, Rams $6, Ravens $2, Redskins $2, Saints $4, Steelers $3. Ray took the Seahawks, and Glenn 83 took the Texans, Titans $7, and Ray took the Vikings. So like I said, I'm gonna go on eBay this morning and lower those prices a little bit. I'll leave a link in the first link in the description will be to the listing if anybody's still interested. We're gonna break this box next Saturday. Has 2 autos in it. So if you guys don't buy anything by tonight, then you'll have till Friday to let me know and pay for any teams you want, and maybe I'll do some combo spots and stuff of the lesser teams. I don't know. We'll see. I'm really hoping to sell a few more spots. So let's get into this one. If I can open it. Just let me know too if you're serious. If you're serious about entering the break. So I have seen actually quite a few videos where people got autos out of this, kind of like as a bonus hit. They make these boxes so big so they look better. I don't know. So we'll save the relic and the rookies for last. All the relics I've seen have been just this kind of the little triangle piece of material there. So here's our packs. Let's see, we got AJ Green. Zoom in a little bit for you. AJ Green. Cam Newton. 2 rookies, Ty Montgomery and Mike Davis. If I've noticed anything from this year's Topps, that they're really inconsistent. Like a lot of these packs have 3 veteran and 1 rookie. That was a 2 and 2, and you just kind of never know what to expect. Demaryius Thomas, Andrew Luck, Patrick Peterson, and Stephon Diggs rookie. So that one was 3 and 1. Lamar Miller, Nick Foles, Jadeveon Clowney, and Alex Carter rookie. Pretty boring so far. Hope we get some good players in here. Peyton Manning, Julio Jones, Mark Ingram, and Paul Dawson. Wow. I haven't had one tear like that before. I don't know if I can get this one open. That pack goes in the trash. Robert Griffin III, Joique Bell, CJ Spiller, and Jeff Howerman. Wow, this one did the exact same thing. I can't do this all day. Sammy Watkins, Carlos Hyde, Marshawn Lynch, Devin Smith. This is like the worst rookies. Noma Kongsu. Are we getting colored cards? Terrell Suggs, T.Y. Hilton, Terrence McGee, seriously, this is all the worst rookies. And no color cards so far. Le'Veon Bell, Russell Wilson, Richard Sherman. What is this card? I don't know what this is. It seems... I noticed somehow it's different. Like it's a thicker stock. And it's a numbered. 196 of 299. I'm not sure what it is though. A black or something like that. If we compare it to that, it has a border on it. I don't know. It's black or what? Okay. The color we get is black. Alright. Ben Koyak rookie. I don't even think I've had any refractors or anything yet. Joe Flacco, Eric Berry, Travis Kelce, Austin Hill. These packs do not want to open. Vincent Jackson, Derek Carr, Matthew Stafford, Garrett Grayson rookie, and a huddle card. J.J. Watt. Randall Cobb. The card looks kind of yellow. Like, I don't know, it's weird. Luke Kuechly, Rob Gronkowski, and Eric Flowers. J.J. Watt, C.J. Anderson, Carson Palmer, and Marcus Peters. These have to be like the 14 worst packs of Topps Chrome here. Trey Mason, Patrick Willis, Emmanuel Sanders, and Shaq Thompson. Last pack. We got a Funchess at least. Frank Gore, Steve Smith Sr., Jordan Matthews, and Devin Funchess. Those were like seriously the worst 14 packs ever. One color card, like all the worst rookies. Yeah, we got Funchess, but maybe there'll be an auto in here. Gotta do something to make up for this terrible packages. Do we at least get a Ajayi? No, it's a Devontae Parker, of course. Rashard Green. Todd Gurley. Philip Dorsett. Tyler Lockett. Winston's in like every single one of these. Ajayi, we did get Ajayi. Okay. TJ Yeldon. Devin Funchess, Amari Cooper, and Devontae Parker. I don't know if they have numbered editions of these or not. Probably not. Well. Last card. Anybody want to take a guess on who it is? Somebody terrible. I guess this was a Devin Funchess pack. You got the Devin Funchess jersey there. Alright. Well, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you on the next break.